AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is the gatekeeper of cloud security. Finding your IAM username is crucial when managing access or troubleshooting issues. In this presentation, I'll show you how to retrieve an IAM username using two different approaches. One using the AWS console, which is great if you love clicking around, and the other using the CLI, perfect for those who prefer commands. Let's get started. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM is like the security guard of AWS. It controls who gets in and what they can do. With IAM, you can create users, assign permissions, and regulate access to AWS resources. Think of it like an office badge system. Some people can access all floors while others are restricted. By following IAM best practices, you can prevent security mishaps. Now, let's understand who these IAM users are. IAM users are the everyday AWS citizens. They get accounts with specific permissions to do their jobs. Some users might have access to billing details, while others can launch EC2 instances. To make things easier, IAM users can be grouped, so permissions can be assigned efficiently. It's like setting up different employee roles in a company. Let's compare IAM users to root users next. Imagine the root user as the superhero of AWS, with unlimited power. But with great power comes great responsibility, so never use the root account for everyday tasks. Instead, create IAM users with restricted permissions to minimize security risks. It's like delegating work instead of doing everything yourself. Now, let's explore how to find an IAM username. So how do you find your IAM username? There are two main methods: checking in the AWS console or using the CLI. Each has its perks. The console is visual, letting you click through menus, while the CLI is faster if you're comfortable with commands. We'll start with the AWS console approach. Alright, click lovers, this one's for you. The AWS Management Console lets you find IAM users with just a few clicks. Simply log in, open the IAM service, and go to the Users section. It's like browsing through contacts on your phone, just way more technical. Next up, we'll look at the IAM Dashboard navigation. Think of the IAM Dashboard as a directory where you can see all your IAM users. You can search for a user by name or filter them based on criteria. It's like looking up colleagues in an employee database, except in AWS. Once you find the user, click their profile for details. Moving on to viewing the IAM user list. Your IAM users list is a one-stop shop for managing identities. Think of it like a guest list for an exclusive party. You check who's invited, what access they have, and ensure only the right people get in. Speaking of efficiency, let's shift gears to command line methods. If clicking through the console feels slow, the AWS CLI is your shortcut. With a simple command, you can retrieve your IAM username instantly. No menus, no hunting through lists. CLI is great for automating tasks, so if you prefer speed and efficiency, this method is for you. For those who love shortcuts, here's the magic command: IAM get user. Run this in your AWS CLI, and voila, you get your IAM username without any extra clicks. Simple, fast, and efficient. Just make sure you have the right permissions, or AWS will say no entry. Retrieving IAM user details with AWS SDKs is like having a universal key. Simple and efficient. The SDKs work across multiple programming languages, so developers aren't stuck learning a new one. Plus, they make authentication smooth and painless. No more jumping through hoops. This is automation at its finest. Finding IAM user details in account settings is like checking your name tag at a conference. You just need to know where to look. A few clicks in the AWS console and boom, your IAM username is right there. No detective work needed, just good navigation skills. Security credentials hold key details like access keys and secret keys. Think of them as the VIP pass to AWS services. Keeping them secure is a must. You wouldn't hand your house keys to a stranger, right? Same rule applies here. The billing console isn't just about payments. It's a gold mine of insights. It helps track IAM user activities and allocate costs smartly. A great way to avoid surprises on the monthly AWS bill, because no one likes unexpected charges. CloudTrail logs are like the security cameras of AWS, capturing every IAM user action. Whether it's for auditing or troubleshooting, these logs give you a clear picture of what's happening. It's transparency with a security twist. IAM management is all about balancing security and accessibility. Strong passwords and MFA add layers of protection. Assigning minimal privileges means fewer security risks, and auditing regularly helps catch any issues before they escalate. A little caution goes a long way. Managing IAM users properly ensures a secure and efficient AWS environment. We've explored various tools to retrieve user details, track activities, and enhance security. The takeaway: keep your IAM users in check, and AWS will run like a well-oiled machine. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.